Hi there, my name is Carolyn Marie, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to start running and stick with it, because I know that's super hard to do. Tip number one is to buy new sneakers. Take your old ones and chuck them. I think I hit something. But brand new ones, the same ones, the ones that you love and makes you feel good and makes you run for miles. These are my favorite. They're by New Balance, and I've repurchased them over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. And they're amazing, and they're sleek. They match everything. They're black and white, and I'll link them down below. But most important, they are very, very comfortable when I'm running. They feel like pillows on my feet. And if you've had the same pair of running shoes for 6 months, a year, 2 years, and you haven't repurchased a new one, shame on you. Your joints are mad at you, especially if you're running on pavement. Of course, I mean, you're gonna be in pain, you're gonna have shin splints, all of that kind of stuff. Your knees are gonna be angry. You have to have the proper equipment to be good at running. Unless you're one of those like barefoot, wild and free kind of people. That's not me, and I'm sure that's not you if you're looking up how to start running. So that's my first tip. Tip number two is you're always way more motivated to start running when you have cute workout gear. And there are so many amazing options on Amazon. So many amazing options. Beautiful tops and bottoms and leggings, like this top. And it's on Amazon. They're super cheap. They come in so many different colors. That's black again. I have like a lot of these guys. Like I stock up. They have gray, white, blue. There's a green. There's just like so many amazing tops that you could pick from. These are my favorites. They're gonna be linked down below. They're shorts and leggings. I'm gonna have them all linked down below. They are high quality. I honestly used to get Fabletics when I was teaching dance, and it was so expensive. I mean, actually Fabletics is on the cheaper side of the workout gear when you're talking about like Lululemon and Athletica. Fabletics was like, oh, this is cheaper and still high quality. But once I found all this, I was like, why in the world did I ever spend that kind of money on workout clothes, especially when I'm sweating in them? But I still want to look cute, and it does, right? I think this top is cute. I think it's cute. Don't tell me otherwise. The girl's trying to save some money here. Tip number three is to stay hydrated. And I love these electrolyte power packs. I have the orange flavor and the berry flavor. They also have a watermelon flavor, but they're really, really great. They taste amazing too. They're super easy. They're just like a little pack. You open it up, you pour it in water, you stir it up, and you drink it, and it's packed with electrolytes, and they're healthy for you. I get this from my local health food store, but I'll have it linked down below too. And it gives you the electrolytes that you need to run for a long time and do it successfully, and so your muscles don't cramp, and you just feel great. So get this, I promise. You won't be disappointed. Stop with the Gatorade. The Gatorade is not good for you, okay? It's just not. Tip number four is to download the 5K Runners app. And I'm going to put a little screen recording right here for you. This app changed the way I ran. I never used to be able to stick to running. And just recently, I started walking on my own. And I was walking for 2 weeks, and I was like, I don't know, I just wasn't cutting it. I gained a little weight from the whole corona lockdown thing, and I was just like feeling sad and depressed, and I was like, I'm gonna go on a walk, try to lose some weight, get a little healthy, and reset my mind. But the weight wasn't coming off because I'm a little older now. Usually a walk would have done it for me, but that wasn't working. So it was like, time to start running again, And also like, obviously it wasn't working because I used to run and now I wasn't running. Like I thought I was gonna get the easy way out. But anyway, so I downloaded this app, 5K Runner, and oh my God, it's awesome. It literally breaks it down for you from the beginning. So if you're like, oh, I'm just starting to walk and I don't, I haven't really ran that much in a while, or I haven't run ever, you tell the app that, it breaks it all down for you, and then it schedules you out for 8 weeks to get to have 5K from run walking and then all the way up to just running. It's crazy, it's awesome, it's amazing, and it's motivational. It tells you, and then plus you kind of get some sort of joy about looking at your app and being like, oh my God, I'm 3 weeks in and I feel amazing and I'm running, and great. And I do it first thing in the morning. That seems to be my trick. Like, it gives me no excuses. I'm like, okay, I'm already gonna shower after, so might as well get sweaty now. That's what I would do. Tip number 5 is to give yourself a recovery day between runs, especially if you're just starting out. Don't just start running and think you have to run every day and your muscles are sore and hurting. And when I mean recovery day doesn't mean don't do anything else. That means do some yoga or some walking, just not running or at something as high intensity. Like, don't do CrossFit either, or don't do, I don't know, something more high intense. Like, don't like get on your trampoline and start doing backflips. No, just like something chill. We're gonna do some yoga. We're gonna do some walking. We're gonna maybe do some Pilates. You have to give your muscles time for recovery. And I know that well, being a dance major, because I've injured myself because I didn't give myself time to recover because I had to dance every day of my life. Tip number 6 is don't go crazy. You just want to ease into it, like lay back. You know, if you just run for 1 minute the first day, that's cool. That's great. That's better than the day before, and you're not killing yourself where you're going to be so sore and you're going to think, oh my God, I don't want to do this tomorrow. That's me, you know, like, just ease into it. We want a lifetime of change, just not a day of change. If you kind of put that mindset in your head, you'll be unstoppable. Ease into it. Take it one step at a time. Don't start running a 5K from the beginning unless you want to fail. And tip number 7 is to schedule 1 day a week of complete rest. That means you don't walk, you don't do yoga, you don't do Pilates, you don't do anything else physical. I mean, like, you could do your day-to-day activities, obviously, but no sort of exercise. 1 full day of rest. So there's your recovery days, which is like in between every run, and then there's your rest day, which I usually leave for Sundays, to be honest with you. I just think that works out best for my schedule. It's kind of like a day of rest in general, you know, prayers and stuff like that. So for me, it works best on Sunday, but whatever works best in your schedule, and I think you will be super successful. Ooh, just talking about that got me all sweaty. Let me get out of these clothes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope these tips helped you out. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you see all my future uploads. And I hope you get to running very soon, and I will see you in my next video.